Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of the assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2016, Modules 811, SAM Capstone Project 1A. Our client provided us with some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow these steps. Step 1. Setup and formatting. Open the Excel file, save with your name, and ensure macros are enabled. Add Power Pivot and Power View to the ribbon. Format homepage with a background image and adjust form controls. Step 2. Data analysis. Create charts and pivot tables to analyze sales data. Use data validation for accurate data entry. Step 3. Solver and pivot analysis. Utilize Solver to optimize training schedules. Perform pivot table analysis for sales by state.
Step 4. Data query and visualization. Import and analyze Florida population and severe weather data. Create Power View reports for visual representation. Step 5. Final touches and protection. Add hyperlinks for easy navigation. Protect worksheets with passwords to prevent unauthorized edits. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.